Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get paint in 7 Days to Die. This is going to be especially useful if you want to paint your base and make it more aesthetically pleasing. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my future content. Now to begin, first of all we'll need to have a campfire and a cooking pot inside of it. Nextly, we'll need to gather these ingredients, which is chrysanthemum and water. Chrysanthemum can be found inside of the pine forest, just as a red flower. Go around the pine forest, it is going to be really common to find it. And once you do, just go ahead and punch it with your fists or a tool. And inside of these skills, inside of general perks, the living of the land skill is going to give you a bigger yield of the chrysanthemums that you gather. Secondly, we'll need to have some water, which you can make inside of the dew collector using a water filter or by boiling murky water inside of the campfire. Now, once you have both of these ingredients, go ahead and cook paint. And inside of the campfire, you can make from 1 chrysanthemum and 1 water 250 paint, and inside of the chemistry station it is going to make double of that. You can see right in the description. And once it's done crafting, pack it into your inventory, and whilst holding a paintbrush it is going to take the paint and paint it on the blocks that you choose. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.